Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into a fascinating topic, the art of creating an Ayurvedic face pack right in the comfort of your own home. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. We're going to be whipping up a face pack that not only helps to soothe your skin, but also keeps acne at bay, thanks to its amazing anti-acne properties. This magic concoction is sure to leave your skin glowing and radiant. The first ingredient we'll be using is sandalwood powder. It's one of our key elements that will work wonders on your skin. Next up, we have gram flour, which is a powerhouse ingredient that works wonderfully for clearing acne and blackheads. And our final key ingredient is rose water, which will not only help you apply the face pack, but also acts as a soothing agent for your skin. Now, let's get started on the preparation process. Take 2 tablespoons of gram flour and 1 tablespoon each of sandalwood powder and rose water. Combine these ingredients in a bowl and mix them thoroughly until you achieve a flawless consistency. Once you have your mixture ready, gently apply it to your face using circular motions and allow it to dry for about 10 minutes. After it's completely dry, rinse off the pack with cold water and pat yourself dry with a clean towel. The end result? A glowing complexion that you can flaunt with pride. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the world of Ayurveda and DIY beauty treatments. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to share more exciting content with you. Until next time, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful inside out.